Starship Flight 6 is an upcoming test mission for SpaceX's Starship system, marking its sixth flight since development began. Set for launch on November 18th, this test flight will follow SpaceX's evolving efforts to refine and showcase the capabilities of its fully reusable rocket system. Starship consists of two stages: the first stage, known as Super Heavy, and the second stage, simply called Starship or Ship. In preparation for Flight 6, SpaceX has rolled the 165-foot-tall, 50-meter upper stage, Starship, out to the launch pad at Starbase in South Texas. This particular Starship prototype is drawing attention not only for its size and capabilities, but also for its quirky design detail: a cartoon banana holding a realistic banana, painted on the stainless steel hull. The artwork is a nod to the banana for scale meme, a humorous engineering joke that helps convey the rocket's vast size. For this test, SpaceX aims to accomplish two primary objectives: relanding the Super Heavy booster and completing a splashdown for the Starship upper stage. During the previous flight on October 13th, SpaceX successfully landed the Super Heavy booster back on the launch pad using the chopstick arms attached to Starbase launch tower. These massive, mechanical arms are specifically designed to catch the booster after launch, allowing it to be swiftly reused for future missions, a feature SpaceX hopes will revolutionize the economics of space travel. If all goes according to plan on Flight 6, Super Heavy will again attempt a controlled descent and landing with the chopstick arms, while the Starship upper stage will carry out a planned splashdown in the Indian Ocean, mimicking the successful landing technique from Flight 5. This splashdown maneuver is currently part of SpaceX's testing strategy, allowing engineers to gather critical data on Starship's reentry and landing profile before attempting more ambitious missions, such as orbital missions and eventual crewed flights. As the largest and most powerful rocket ever constructed, standing nearly 400 feet, 122 meters, tall when both stages are stacked, Starship is built to eventually carry large payloads and human crews to destinations like the Moon and Mars. The Starship Flight 6 mission holds substantial implications for the future of space exploration and space transportation, as SpaceX aims to make both stages of the Starship fully reusable. The data and insights gained from Flight 6 will play a pivotal role in refining the design and functionality of the rocket, bringing SpaceX one step closer to reducing launch costs dramatically. Lowering the cost of launching payloads into space could accelerate a range of space initiatives, from satellite deployment and scientific research to ambitious deep space missions. By advancing reusable rocket technology, this mission supports SpaceX's broader vision of enabling interplanetary travel, with Mars as a long-term target. Successful tests, like those in Flight 6, will help establish the reliability and reusability of Starship, a crucial factor for safe, repeatable human missions beyond Earth. Additionally, this flight will contribute to SpaceX's aspirations for deploying a high-capacity cargo and crew transport system, which could support NASA's Artemis program, potentially establishing a sustained human presence on the Moon. The lessons from Flight 6 will also influence the commercial spaceflight industry by proving the feasibility of reusing such a powerful, large-scale rocket. SpaceX can set a new standard in the industry, encouraging other companies and nations to adopt similar technologies. In the long run, Starship's progress toward fully reusable rockets could democratize access to space, opening up new possibilities for scientific discovery, economic development, and even tourism in low Earth orbit and beyond.